Happy Halloween.
Good morning. Happy Halloween. What day of the week is it? Thursday?
Yeah, Thursday.
It's Thursday. Welcome to the vlog.
Ugh.
So we just got done with worship led by Bailey. It was awesome. We told
I
about-
didn't sing.
We sang. We talked about a lot of things we were thankful for and just praises we've had. And now we're splitting up into teams. 2 teams are out playing with kids this morning.
Yes, that's my team.
My team is going to be organizing the closets, and the other 2 teams are going to be praying over the campus. So yeah, stay tuned.
Look at Shelby feeling perfect.
Jeffrey, go to the other.
I was supposed to play soccer, but I didn't come prepared. I gotta go change my shoes. So I'll see ya.
It's Halloween!
What you doing?
I don't know. I am prayer walking around Hope, Ethiopia. Yeah, such a beautiful place. So these are popsicle sticks, and you can write scriptures or prayers on them, and you stick them in the ground all over the land. And they're just little good reminders for people who are just walking and praying over the land. They can pull one up, and it might just be what they needed to hear that day. Yeah. That could maybe be those.
I needed money.
You're gonna make these bracelets?
It's hard without like tape to hold. Putting a bead on it.
Yeah, allergies have been kicking me in the face too. I have some Nasonex that I remember in hotel, and then I have some just like I'm going out like today.
We're here live in the food house. We got the food. Back to you, Bill.
Love potatoes, right? Because you're Irish.
Literally. It's not even a stereotype. Oh man.
I was not expecting that.
So today, with help, lots of different collaborative help, an all-day project, I alphabetized and labeled and made a cheat sheet for all the movies. It's great.
She's really organized. I'm really proud of her. It's Halloween! And you're a string bee?
You caught me so off guard.
Listen here, Linda.
What?
Listen here, Linda.
Linda.
Cleaning out the closet. Got all my hose. What you got?
That's all I got. I don't know what to say besides this.
Wait, we're not to face each other. Wow, that's impressive. Hey, y'all's hips don't lie, man.
Second thought.
What just happened? It wasn't my fault. Did you quit breaking things?
Stay tuned because the Halloween party is up next.